Welcome. In front of me is TCL 60 SE NXTpaper 5G, and in this video I will tell you what to do if your device's fingerprint scanner doesn't recognize your fingerprint correctly. In such case, you have to set up a new fingerprint, and to do that, go to Settings, select Security and Privacy, go to Device Unlock, select Face and Fingerprint Unlock, confirm, and then select Fingerprint, and if you have some previously added fingerprints, then remove them, and once you're ready, select Add Fingerprint. Then before you add a new fingerprint, remove the phone cover from it, and after that, grab a dry towel to wipe the surface of the fingerprint scanner. So that it can read your fingerprint correctly. Then press Add Fingerprint, got it, and proceed by adding a new fingerprint to your device. Add the edges and press Done. Now let's go back to Settings and check for updates right here. And if your phone finds any, if your phone finds any updates, then take your time and let your phone install them, just to make sure that all features on your phone are up to date. So right here, click Restart Now, and let your phone restart to let settings apply, and just wait for it to reboot. And once your phone is restarted, let's first unlock it and then use the fingerprint to unlock it again. So place the finger on your scanner, and as you can see, everything works properly now, and I hope that it does for you too. And if it does, then let us know about it in the comments. Leave us a like, consider subscribing to our channel, and I will see you next time.